In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add search button on Shopify. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to go to your Shopify store and you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels. The next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right, and then in the top you want to search for Smart Search App. Okay, you want to search for Smart Search App, and then you want to open the app. Okay, this is the app. You want to click on install. Okay, like it's a smart search and filter, click install. And then in the top right it will ask you guys to click on install app. You just want to wait a few seconds. Okay, just need to remove all this. I'm going to explain to you. Click next, click skip, I will do it later, click get started. Alright, now what you need to do, guys, you want to click on search. Now if you go to your own Shopify store, you will find the search button. As you can see in the top right, everyone can search for anything. For example, let me just search for M, and people can search for your anything, and you can customize this here. You can add different things. Okay, where it says here the internal review, personalization, analytics, and here you will find how many people searched, like the total visits, total clicks, how many people searched for something and they clicked, how many people added the product to cart, total orders. Yeah, that's it. So hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.